The valve cover is still tacky. It says it dries in 3 hours, but it's really humid out today, so it's not quite dry. It looks really good, and we don't want to ruin it, so we're gonna leave it overnight. While we wait, we might as well start doing the exhaust, so that's what we're gonna do. Previous owner who started doing the engine swap created this abomination of an exhaust that ends at about 1.25 inch exhaust, which is totally bad, and like these welds are, yeah, it's not pretty. So we're gonna cut it off, weld a new part to it, and this will be the start of our new exhaust system. Just so happened to have another bung laying around. I swear that always happens. Right when I'm about to finish the cut. Alright, so here's our cleaned up flange. Boom. Alright, the new little downpipe is in. Back here, the exhaust has to go up and over the axle. And the shock's right here, so it has to go up to the passenger side, over the axle, then back down over to the driver's side. So I took a 180 degree, I cut a slot out of it, so each one could spin individually, and so it's not quite 180 degrees, as you see there. So it's kind of gonna be something like so. So this will be kind of right there. was about to weld in this last resonator when I realized, wait a second, this second part of the exhaust is gonna be impossible to get out if it goes all the way back here, because it has to, you know, loop over the axle, and pulling it down would be a pain. I'm gonna have to get another V-band. We'll cut it here, add the V-band and the tailpipe. That way also you can kind of align the tailpipe a bit yourself, so that'll be good. For now, I'm just gonna pull the exhaust down, weld it all up, put it back in, drop the car, put the valve cover on, and start it. Our lovely exhaust system. It came out actually very easily, so that's good. Now it's time to go ahead and start welding everything though, so. Exhaust is all connected with the new gasket up front. Now we can start it and hear it. What? It's pretty loud. Zero exhaust leaks, that's good. First gear. Second gear. The clutch works. So we'll move all these cars and then we can take it for a spin. So my dad went ahead and got the stock seats reupholstered. They look really nice, like real leather. They're awesome. We're gonna throw them in just for temporary to drive it around. Here we go. How's it feel?
It's awesome.
You look so giant in it.
I know.
That's hilarious. Man, this is a small car. You know? All right, so reverses, yep, there you go. You look so big in that thing. That is crazy. This is a hilarious sight. That is so funny. That is so awesome. The Datsun's driving now.
This is awesome.
Yeah, it drives pretty good.
This is awesome. It's got some power.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I think.
It's really light, and it's, you know, this motor is a lot more powerful than the one that came with it. Here, give it some revs. Those are wimpy revs. Still wimpy revs, so that's okay.
Wow.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. It's really windy and everything.
Right, no windshield.
Yeah.
We are riding the go-kart.
And all the dust from the engine bay is flying in my face. Right? It's nice though.
It does.
Yeah. Push hard. Oh gosh.
New driver!
When was the last time you drove stick, Dad?
It's
A while? Yeah. Alright, so go slow over the bump because the exhaust is low. Ah, stuff in my eyes. Drives like a dream. Yep. And that is it for this video. I apologize for splitting it into 2 separate videos. I just had so much footage that I didn't really want to put it into one video. And I'm going on vacation. So when you watch this, I'm on vacation right now. So, you know, I'm trying to get as many videos out of this as possible. But yeah, the Datsun is running and driving. It has 90% of an exhaust. We actually just had a guy come and look at the car so he could give us a quote about painting it. So pretty much as soon as we get the bus running again, we'll drop it off for paints. Once it's painted, we just have to reassemble it, put the interior back together, and then it's done. Essentially, there's obviously a lot of little things, wiring and taillights and painting and all that has to be done, but you know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a like, but if you didn't, please give it a dislike. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I totally appreciate it. As I said, I am on vacation right now, so I apologize for the lack of videos. As soon as we get back, you know, we're doing bus stuff, and I'm not gonna say it again, but a certain built motor should be done by now. So yeah, guys, peace out, goodbye. Roses are red, violets are blue. I love my patrons, they're very cool. A poem by Gingium.